Right. Think we should be live. Are we live? Hello. Hello. I think so. Yes. Okay. आई थिंक लाइव आ चुके हैं अपन. ना चेक कर लेता हूँ मैं कि यहीं पे काम कर रहा है ना ये पे. हाँ. ओके. हाय. गुड इवनिंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम. It's Friday today, and gold has given us an immensely good move, and it was a simple trend line, downwards trend line movement. I'll just show you यहाँ पे ये क्या कर रहा है. Just a moment here. Yeah, right. So I will just shift few things before. एक सेकेंड. हाँ सर. सो ये आप अगर 1 आवर पे देखो तो ओवरऑल ट्रेंड डाउनवर्ड्स है गोल्ड का. ठीक है. दिस इज़ द डबल बॉटम फॉर्मेशन ऑलमोस्ट, जो हमें अच्छा लगता है कि जा सकता है. सो दिस इज़ द एक्चुअल 325857 एरिया इज़ वेयर 3260 एरिया इज़ वेयर आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट थोड़ा सा रिजेक्शन. एंड नॉर्मली यहाँ से डबल बॉटम से जाने से पहले आई थिंक बिकॉज दिस इज़ अ गुड सपोर्ट जोन दिस ईयर. इफ़ यू सी दिस एरिया इज़ अ गुड सपोर्ट जोन राइट. तो इस एरिया के आसपास से हमें एक बाउंस मिलना चाहिए. बट उसके पहले मुझे क्लियर दिख रहा था 15 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे कि ये लोअर लो का स्ट्रक्चर बना रहा है. अगर डबल बॉटम यहाँ पे था अभी तो ये फेल हो चुका है ऑलरेडी और बहुत स्ट्रांगली नीचे गिर रहा था. और फिर यहाँ पे ये लोअर लो स्ट्रक्चर बना था. ये ट्रेंड लाइन को आप देखो तो मैंने इसे यहाँ शॉर्ट किया था. ऑल्दो ये स्पाइक जो इसने मारा मुझे लगा कि इट हैज़ टेकन मी आउट. ठीक है. बट आई गॉट सेव्ड like pips. It was pips which I got saved from, right? You look at that, like 4 or 5 pips ticks se bach gaya main, and it has given an immensely good move. And if I'm able to show you, I'll just try to, just a moment guys. Dekhte hain agar if I'll be able to show you here. So we don't have any more news. ठीक है, that is okay. Yes, so the move that I'm talking about is just a second. All right, if I go into the display capture now, and if I just shut this down and this here, yes, so what you will see here is that move that we were talking about. I sold it here. ठीक है. It gave you this move. ठीक है. मैंने expected था कि बस यहाँ पे आसपास से ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. इट एक्चुअली टैप्ड दैट एंड देन बाउंस्ड बैक. अब मुझे क्या लगा था कि यहाँ पे मैं एक और ऐड कर सकता हूँ, बट सिंस दिस वाज एन ऑलरेडी वेरी गुड क्वांटिटी एंड आई डिड नॉट वांट टू ऐड ऑन टू समथिंग लाइक दैट, I did not add it, but I let it run and look at that beautiful move. Now I have trailed my SL here. I would strictly want to trail it here, but it might actually go upwards and keep me out. And then this is my target right now, 3260 what I aim for, right? So let's see क्या करता है ये. अभी वेट ही कर रहे हैं. ज़्यादा कुछ तो इसमें दिख नहीं रहा. I hope I think because just New York just opened, so it might give us the move also, but not before taking some liquidity and doing some things that we do not usually like. So देखते हैं क्या करता है ये. Okay, so let's get back to our trading view to get the analysis part done. So on the trading view जो मैंने 1:2 मार्क कर रखा है, that is actually okay. अभी से मैं अगर यहाँ तक, this is where my actual target is. So almost 2.931:3 almost, right? So देखते हैं if that gives, it's amazing. बहुत अच्छा रहेगा हमारे लिए. ठीक है. Let's go to Nasdaq for a bit, right? Why do I have this delay here? Okay, I have to connect my account. Let me give me a moment guys. I'll just connect my account here so that, okay, I'll have to just check where that is. I just closed it. अभी वापस से कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा इसे. All right. अरे नहीं चाहिए. Okay, we are connected. Yes, we are connected. So this is what Nasdaq is looking right now. So if you go to the daily chart, yesterday was a very good movement. ठीक है, कल का movement काफ़ी अच्छा था, and I think it is strictly following what we initially planned, कि this is more of a, this kind of move can give us this, right? That is what I expected to do, but अभी के लिए it is nice and ऊपर ही जा रहा है, तो ट्रेजेक्टरी तो ऊपर की ही है. कल का मूव भी काफ़ी अच्छा था. इंडियन मार्केट्स फेल लाइक एनीथिंग टुडे. इसे मैं चेंज कर सकता हूँ यार. आई डोंट वांट वॉल्यूम्स राइट नाउ. यस, सो दिस गुड. ऑलराइट, सो ओवरऑल नास्डैक इज इन पॉजिटिव टेरिटरी राइट नाउ. इसका हाईएस्ट का लिक्विडिटी इसने लिया है. It is going for that. So if let's go back and mark what we are supposed to mark. So that is our days low PDL, that is our PDH. PDH does not really concern us, it has already tapped that. My next expectation is 1000 points का ऊपर की तरफ यहाँ पे, and this can be an hurdle here. ठीक है, so it might, we can call it a daily resistance here. डेली रेस, ठीक है, एक यहाँ पर है. और उसके अलावा नीचे अगर सपोर्ट ऐसे कहीं मिलता है तो दिस इज़ द एरिया आई वुड लुक फॉर. मैं ऐसे और रिफाइन करना चाहूँगा अगर ये सपोर्ट लेने जाता है नीचे तो. पहला. दूसरा, ऑन द 4 आवर दिस इज़ अ गुड जोन फ्रॉम वेयर इट शुड बाउंस बैक. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना मार्क इट लाइक दिस फॉर अ 4 आवर if it wants to tap back and then just go back again. Although इतना नीचे आने का संभावना तो नहीं लगता है मुझे, because we are in an uptrend right now. This trend is upwards, right? We made a double bottom here and then since then अभी तक इसी जोन में हम लोग मूव कर रहे हैं. So we might, I don't know if we get a good break or not today, but if we do, since it's Friday, you have to be extremely careful. I would expect it to be here, somewhere here. ठीक है, पहला. दूसरा, the phones that I get when I start to stream is enormously bad. Alright, so this is here. अभी चलो, अभी मुझे दिख रहा है कि हम लोग ज़्यादा नीचे जाने के इस पे नहीं है. Although we might come back and tap this before going up, right? So 4 hour पे भी trend upwards ही है. If at all it wants to go below, so if I mark a fib here and mark this, so that zone 38% का जो जोन है और अपना 4 आवर का जो विक है, दिस इज द जोन दैट इज समथिंग दैट आई वुड लुक आउट फॉर if it wants to trail to that, right? So I'll just mark it blue so that we have something to look on to, some confirmation if it wants to go there at all. Although it does not want to, seems like it wants to push up again today. Okay, so the next target 344 से रिजेक्शन आ सकती है. 344 से 50 के रेंज में एक बार ये नीचे जा सकता है. ठीक है, so overall that's there. And on the upside, this whole area is zone, not the whole area actually, I would say this is the only thing जहाँ से major selling आई है. तो इससे यार, अरे यार मैंने ऑन ही नहीं किया क्या. Alright, I'm so sorry. So just going back again. So this is the previous day low. यहाँ से एक मैंने फिबोनाची ड्रॉ किया है और ये क्योंकि एक विक्ड आउट है यहाँ पे, तो इट माइट कम हियर बिफोर गोइंग एनीवेयर अपवर्ड्स. ठीक है, ऑल आई थिंक इज बिकॉज 38% भी है यहाँ पे और ये दोनों है यहाँ पर, तो यहाँ से कुछ सपोर्ट दिख रहा है मुझे ऊपर जाने के लिए. ठीक है, 1 आवर पे भी सेम चीज़ है, उसमें कुछ चेंजेस नहीं. 15 मिनट्स पे अगर मैं देखूँ तो 15 मिनट्स पर भी यहाँ से एक मूव आ सकता है नीचे की तरफ. ऑल्दो ये एक जोन है जहाँ से थोड़ा सा करेक्शन मुझे दिख सकता है, जिसको ये ऑलरेडी टैप कर चुका है. देखते हैं यहाँ से क्या मूवमेंट प्लान कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे भी देयर इज नथिंग मेजर, नो मेजर चेंजेस. इट मेड अ डबल बॉटम, ट्राई टू गो अप, फेल्ड दैट एंड देन स्टिल गोइंग अप. सो वी टुक आउट द लिक्विडिटी एंड ऑल दैट हियर एंड देन वी आर गोइंग अप. ठीक है, सो ऑल इन ऑल द ट्रेंड लुक्स पॉजिटिव एंड एवरीथिंग. लेट्स सी if we can do better on this. Just a moment. Let's see if okay, it's just 7 minutes into this and कुछ खास तो नहीं दिख रहा अभी मुझे. I would want to wait till at least 15 minutes. So 7:15 is what I would wait for before doing anything else, right? So उसको उतना वेट करते हैं, फिर देखते हैं ये क्या चाहता है. Alright, let's. And my camera just switched off. Should see me now. All right. मतलब I can do tech things okay-ish, but ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा ही परेशान करता है मुझे. Anyways, what do you see, guys? So I put Chrome there, so I'll have to change that and bring us to Chrome. Should stop irritating. This is okay. Brave now. Let's see if we have that option. Brave, yes. All right, you see it, right? I think you do. Yes. ठीक है. So this is where we are going to trade, and this is what I would look for today's session to make some bucks. अभी ये इसको मैं चल नहीं दे रहा हूँ, इसमें कुछ खास चेंजेस ला नहीं रहा हूँ. आई एम लेटिंग इट रन, आई एम जस्ट कीपिंग इट हियर नाउ. आई डोंट वांट टू मिस आउट अ लॉट ऑन दिस, सो आई विल जस्ट लेट इट बी. Let's see what does it give us. Alright, so we are still pushing up. इसमें कोई change दिख नहीं रहा है मुझे. Pushing up and up. यहाँ पे मैं 15 मिनट पे जाता हूँ just to have a broader idea of any rejection that we might see. Right. ये तो ठीक है. इसे यहाँ पे मैं बड़ा कर लेता हूँ. And let's go here. Let's see 5. Okay. So Apple has pushed up really hard, going into some correction now. Even Nvidia has pushed up really hard. Everything seems pushing up. Tesla is 2% up, Nvidia 1%, and Apple 0.15% on the lower side. Okay, not bad, not bad. It wants to go up. Feels like it wants to go up, and gold feels like it wants to go down. Okay, it's taking some correction here. I'll just like to save this. I like to snip this, keep it for future reference. Alright, yes. Let it be here. Okay, alright. Let's just focus on this right now. So that is the correction that I was talking about from the body itself. It's taking some correction here, and it's good that it is. Okay, let's go to 1 minute here and see what do you actually want to do. Do you actually want to go into the correction, or are you just starting this so that it's 12 minutes in the market open and the AC is very chilly. right. Okay, Nvidia still pushing up. Everything. I have to be more professional about this. I'm so sorry. So that just closed us and it wants to go up before doing anything else. 3260 is what I was targeting. We went to 3265 and we have just moved up 100 pips on that. And this is actually going into some selling, although I do not really believe that we will sell a lot. If where's to I see that's Bollinger. Let's see Bollinger here, and let's actually close this here. Yes, closer. All right, I'm going to put few things here again. That was an untapped CPR that just made it crucial now. And yes, all right, not bad, good. It's still pushing lowers. Let's see, where is my ninja? Okay, into taskbar, and I would like to open that. Still see no reason to enter a trade, so I'm just going to hold. I'm still dropping, just tapped. Still dropping. Might drop lower than this too. We might go here first. That's no big deal, although that is a 15-minute candle close, and it's a usual 15-minute candle close. Let's see if we want to go more on the downwards trajectory or if we want to push up. Okay, I would like so. Okay, done. 29 and guys. I can't think that it is actually doing that, right? Yep, not that. So let's just wait. Let's see. On a broader scheme of things, it might want to go down first, to be honest. Might want to take that liquidity on the below region of 180 to 170 regions. Yes, and that is what I believe it is doing. So, what happened? All right, that is what I would expect it to do. Let's see if we can actually. Okay, you sir. That's bad. That's bad.
Order filled.
Yep, that was a very bad move. Still expecting it to go lower. Might go here. So I'm gonna sell this. Why? अरे क्या तमाशा है यार, सब कुछ ही उल्टा सीधा हो रहा है क्या आज? Just gonna wait.
Order filled.
Just wait. Looks like it wants to go lower though, before doing anything else. Might want to go to 170s actually. Might want to go there. Just seeing some selling pressure here again. And this is 170 levels is what I think it should go to. Let's see. So the first target is here.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yep, not very sure about that. Going to wait. That consolidation phase, going to wait it out. Good that I waited out.
Order filled.
Made a new. I'm trying to make new highs here. Looks like good to sell, to be honest. Yes, sir. You actually look like good to sell. Selling again. Keeping you here first, and we'll see.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, that doesn't look right. That looks like it wants to spike up. Doesn't look right. Okay, sir. You're doing stupid stuff. Is it actually true that I actually made good amount of money on Fridays? It is just not the same right now. It wants to do stupid stuff. All the stupid stuff it wants to do. It is destined to go below days low this area before doing anything else. It just does not want to. It wants to do all the stupid stuff first. Pretty stupid. I still want to sell this. हेलो, तो बोलो 1 घंटा बाद आएगा. बोलो 1 घंटा बाद आएगा. हाँ, alright sir. Are you actually pushing it, or you're just making fun of me and everybody else? If one more trade goes down, I will close the system because I know what you can do. I really think we still might get good points here. I'm just going to wait to see. Let it do its thing, not a problem. Just going to wait a bit more. Gold retraced pretty heavily from 3265. Really wanted to go up. And what's US30 doing? Let's see. US30 is falling just how it should fall, without any tantrums like Nasdaq. Beautiful fall. Yeah, that is the fall. Should continue though. Going to watch US30 on the screen. That looks good for another good few points of fall. Let's see. We had a huge rejection from the upside. The US30. We should see some good rejection too. right, that looks like it wants to go up now. Yep, definitely looks like that kind of spike. Or were you grabbing liquidity to go down is what I want to know. Uncertainty. So from the last 3 hours it has tried to push up, but sellers has come up and pushed this lower. तो अभी लोअर ले जा रहे तो किसी लेवल पे तो ले जाना चाह रहे होंगे, राइट? इसने जिस लेवल को टैप किया है वहाँ से सपोर्ट, इसने ये दूसरी बार है जिसने यहाँ से सपोर्ट लिया है. एक बार ये 3:30 बजे सपोर्ट ले चुका है वहाँ से. Now the next support I still believe is around 180 to 160, 19,180, 160 region, and that is what I'm expecting it to go to. Let's see.
Order filled.
Right. Okay, sir.
Filled.
What the actual F? What is that? Okay, टाइप भी नहीं होना चाहता है. What happened? That is the data that tripped it. I did not see it here though. Acha, this one. It's not a red folder news. Inflation lesser than expected है इसीलिए इसको ये मिल रहा है. क्या crazy है भाई. Are you going to give me that move which we are expecting you to give? I still want to do some drama. selling this. We have just lost $400 today. Okay, sir. कर लीजिए बदमाशी कर लीजिए.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. That's some cruelty right there. Just to take us out, you know. Do you really want to go up? Buying this. Keeping it here. Okay, made 100 on that. I closed it because it is at this level here at that spike. Camera went off. Yeah, that is how much it can only face. So please pardon me for that. Yeah, I'd like to wait for that. इस एरिया को ये इसके पास क्या करना चाहता है, इसीलिए आई जस्ट वांट टू वेट इट आउट. Don't want to get into trouble there. Would have made few more points, but it's okay. Lost a lot on my other account, so I'm sad about that. Yeah, gave you stupid stuff. So the first hour usually gives you the overall movement of this, and this is the halfway through it. So we have the first hour chart here, right? This wants to say that कि मैं ऊपर जाना चाहता हूँ, but क्या आप actually ऊपर जाना चाहते हो is my question. I'd like to buy this again for 394. Stupid. Okay, looks like it wants to go. See if you actually want to go. Okay, buying that again. That's a good stop loss right there. Take profit right there.
Order submitted.
Still have a feeling that it will go up.
Order filled.
Okay, dragging my stop loss closer now. Closing this. Saving some smaller one at a time. Do you think I should close this? I actually think I should close this today. Yeah, I am already now in a bad state of mind, I guess. So doing anything stupid is not what I want to do, and I really want to make 200s here to make the day count and to think that I actually did something. The gold trade that I took was not on this live account, but that on an evaluation account. Yeah, still has potential to go up, to be honest. But it is Friday and it wants to do things that I don't understand. I mean, ये I bought it right. मैंने बाय बिल्कुल सही किया था इसे. क्या किया था मैंने, ये बेचा था क्या इसको? हाँ आई थिंक, हाँ मैंने बेचा था इसे यहाँ पे. ठीक है, ये गलती थी मेरी यहाँ, कोई बात नहीं. Okay. Told you still has potential for this to go up. Could buy here again. It might actually go up. Going to try that. Keeping this tight though. क्या है यार, तमाशा. मजाक कर रहा है बस. Looks like a good buying opportunity again. So I'm again going to buy that. And if that does not go on my favor, this will be my last trade of the day.
Order filled.
Let's see. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. That actually kills me if you do all that. Don't do that, please. Come on.
Stop filled.
That's a lot of loss. Still have a feeling that this will go up. I don't know how and why, but I still feel that this will go up. Just not with me. So we lost 730 today. That's a lot of loss. We should not have taken that much of trade. And we are in drawdown also. That's Friday. I'm going to close that. I don't want to blow my accounts. So I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye.